Recently, I posted a trading strategy where the indicator directly gave you buy and sell signals. And that video got a lot of love from you guys. So today, I'm back with another such strategy that gives you buy and sell signals. All you have to do is look for a signal, check for a double confirmation, and get amazing buy and sell trades. So without wasting any time, let's set up the chart. In this strategy, we will need three different indicators. So go to the indicators option over here and search for bull power, bear power, and add this indicator. Now search for ATR smooth and add it. And finally, search for VDub binary pro and add this one. We have added all the three indicators and made the chart look messy. So now let's clean it up and set up the chart and make it look clear. For that, first go to the settings of bull power indicator and adjust it as per my chart. You can even screenshot this section and adjust your setting as per this. Now adjust the settings of ATR smooth and screenshot these two sections, that is the style section and the input section. And finally, adjust the settings of the VDub indicator, which is the most important indicator of the strategy. So make sure you select the settings very carefully. So your input section should look like this and the style section should look like this. So now that we have our chart ready, let's start with this strategy. As you can clearly see, the indicator is already giving us a buy and sell signal, and every time it gives a buy signal, the price moves up, and every time it gives a sell signal, the price moves down. But then many a times this may fail. So we will use two different confirmation to perfect our entries. So let us see how to open a trade using this strategy. To open a buy trade, firstly, see if the indicator is giving us a buy signal. And now the next is to find confirmation. For that, the first confirmation is check if the white line crossed above the green line and now is above the green line. And if that is the case, then move on to the second confirmation, which is to check if the histogram creates a green bar. And if these conditions are met, we enter a buy trade and keep the stop loss below the previous low and the take profit 1.5 times of the stop loss. And here, if you see, the price clearly went in our favor and took the take profit. Now let's take an example of the sell trade and understand this strategy correctly. So here you can see that the indicator gave me a sell signal, but I won't directly rush into the trade because I need to find the confirmations. And first I will check if the white line is crossing the green line below. And here the line has already crossed. So it doesn't matter if the line has already crossed because after that we have got a buy and sell signal as it happened over here. So this is completely fine with us. Next, I will see if the histogram is creating red bars, which it is. And so I will enter a sell trade after this candle is finished and the stop loss will be above the previous high and the take profit will be 1.5 times the stop loss. And now if we see what happened with the trade, it again went in profit.